Hi guys, so we'll do a few more examples based on the fundamental principle of counting, okay, in the chapter of permutational combination. So I'll just go with the next example. Example 3. The question is, how many two-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if the digits can repeat it. First understand the question. So here the question is, how many two-digit even numbers, that too even numbers, can be formed from the digits 1 to 5 if the digits can repeat it. There's nothing but here the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Out of the 5 digits, there are only 2 even digits, that is a 2 and a 4. Now we need to find how many two-digit even numbers. So two-digit even numbers means there will be 2 vacant places, okay, 1 and 2. I can take it, this is a unit place and this is a tens place. So in a unit place, you need to fill either a number by 2 or a 4. Then only we can say that that is the even number. Okay. So the last means unit number, the unit place is filled by either a 2 or a 4. That means there is only a 2 possibilities in this. Next, in a tens place, we can fill with either any one of the 5 digit. As nothing but there are 5 ways. So it's nothing but 1 into 2 you can fill. If I fix with the unit place is a 2, next is 2 and a 2, 3 and a 2, 4 and a 2, 5 and a 2. All the 5 are two-digit even numbers. Next, if I fix the unit place is a 4, next you can fill with any one of the 5 digit, that is 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4. Okay. So there are how many ways? There are 10 ways. If it is only a 5 digit, then we can do it like this. Okay. It is a simple way. If there are 100 numbers, if there are 100 digit, then how many two-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1 to 100? So that is difficult, right? So we can make use of the fundamental principle of accounting is nothing but. So now here we need to write some theory. So theory is like, there are ways of filling 2 vacant places. Okay, this one you can take it from the left side, that is the unit place, and the next one is the tens place. So now in that we start filling in a units place. Is 2 and 4. 2 and 4 only, and tens place can be filled by any of 5 digits. Therefore, by multiplication principle, how can we write that? So it's nothing but in a unit place it is only 2 chances, and in a tens places, so we can fill out of 5 digits. It's nothing but 5 into 2. So there are 10 even 2-digit numbers. We can form it from the digit 1 to 5. Okay, is it clear? Hope you guys understood this. So we'll just do the last example problem. So here is 4th example. Find the number of different signals. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags on vertical stack if 5 different flags are available. Okay, so first try to understand the question. The question is, find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags. At least means, so in a signal there should be 2 flags and more than that also. So now those 2 signal means that signal will be on a vertical staff, and you need to make use of 5 different color flags. Okay, now there are 5 flags. So with the help of this 5 flags, you need to generate the signal, and that signal should contain at least 2 flags. There's nothing but signal will be like this, and in that signal you need to make use of at least 2 flags. Okay, so 2 flags from the 5 different flags. So from the first you can take, so here is, so first flag you can make use of from 5 different flags, and the second flag you can choose it from the remaining 4 flags. So there you will get one signal. So they mentioned that at least 2 flags is nothing but more than that also it may contain. So that is the one case. The next case is similarly in a signal it may be 3 flags. Okay, so first flag is filled with 5, second flag is filled with remaining 4 flag, and a third is filled with remaining 3 flags. Okay, next signal is 1, 2, 3, 4. It may contain 4 flags. That is, first is filled with 5, next is 4, next is 3, next is 2. Next signal, it may contain all the 5 flags. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first it may be filled by 5 different flags. Then the second is filled with the remaining 4, and a third is filled with the remaining 3, and a fourth is filled with the remaining 2, and the last is filled with the remaining 1. So now you need to apply the multiplication principle for all the 4 cases, and you need to add all the 4 cases. So there you will get the number of signals that are generated with the help of 5 different flags. Okay, so when they mention it at least, then you need to move with at least, then more than that, how many possibilities you will get it to form a signal with the help of 5 different flags. Is it clear? If they mention it, the signal should contain only 2 flags. So out of a 5, then you could have stopped the problem by 5 into 4 is nothing but only 20 signals we can generate it. But they mention it at least a 2 is nothing but the first case you will get it 5 into 4. The next case at least means it is a 2 and more than 2 also. It is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3. And the next is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And the last is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. At the last you need to add it all the 4 cases value. And there you will get the required number of signals that are generated with the help of 5 different color flags. Is it clear? So I'll just write the answer for that. So here there are ways of filling the 2 vacant place. There are ways of filling 2 vacant place. That is 5 into 4 is nothing but 20 signals. Similarly, the number of flag signals, the number of flag signal, which is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 is nothing but 60, and the number of, so here is a 2 and here is a 3 and here is a 4 flag signal. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is nothing but 120, and the last is the number of 5 flag signals, which is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is again a 120. Therefore, the number of the required number of signals that can be generated is equal to, you need to add it all the 4 cases, that is 20 signals plus 60 plus 120 plus 120. 120 is 240. 240 plus 60 is 300 plus 20 is 320. So you will get it are 320 signals that are generated with the help of 5 different color flags. Okay, hope you guys understood this. So exercise problems, I'll just send it. And this is about the basic on permutation and a combination. And if you understood this one, then the permutation and a combination will be a easy thing. Is it clear? Hope you guys understood this. Thank you.